Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, guys? Mr. G, Paul. How are we doing? This is an eval, by the way. Just trading it to trade. Hoping we kind of get a nice little run up here, maybe. We'll see. I need to check my funding ticks. Let's see real quick. Oh, that's so bright. Do, 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 do. 316. I can't remember the consistency rule for funding ticks. So many dang prop firms, man. And man, this is bright. Is there a way to turn it to dark? There we go. All right, so funding ticks. Dun, dun, dun. What am I missing here? Where? It. Is there not a consistency rule? Lord. I can't remember. Anyway, I'll figure that in a little bit. Let's see, Paul said, hey, Mr. G, yesterday was a good day in the markets. By yesterday, I mean Tuesday. So he means today. Technically, today. Glad you had a good day, man. I did too. Hey, Paul, are you Paul S. and Paul Memphis? Just curious. So I see a Paul Memphis sometimes commenting on my stuff. I just wondered if that was you. All right, let's get trading view up. Gotta be able to see my charts. Yes, that's me. All right, I thought so. I wasn't 100% certain, but good to know, man. Appreciate all the support, my friend. All right, so here's my top step performance. Let me just pop this down here. See here. All right, this is my Express account. And yeah, so today I had like a 70-something% win ratio, which is amazing. Really appreciated having some good luck with my trades. Actually, my setup just played out pretty good, you know? So anyway, so 75% win rate it was something like that. Let me just find out. I can't remember. 18th. I'll just choose these two dates. Well, I don't know. It was 70%, 74, 75. So yeah, I guess 76%. So my profit factor went up to a 2, which is amazing. Best day percent of profit, 21%. My win loss kind of went up too. My loss went up from 30 something to 40, Now this kind of went lower, but winning trades 26, losing trades 8. I was cutting my losers pretty quick too, which is good. Yes, I'm in micros, Paul. Is this Paul S too? Or is this a different Paul? I'm just kidding, man. That's my son's name is Memphis. Oh, cool, man. I like that name. I don't live very far. Well, I live like 5 hours from Memphis. Anyway, we're eligible for payout, but I didn't take it. The day I was up 320 end of day. Cave, what's good, bro? Trying out the copy trader with Replicanto. Heck yeah, man. Let me know how it goes. My payout eligibility is here. We're able to take 896 and some change, but we're not gonna take it. I'm gonna build up a few thousand of buffer, and then I'll start thinking about taking some payouts. I want to take like, I don't know, 1,000 a week per account. So build the buffer up and then start taking payouts. There's 2 of us now. So far it's really good. Cave said Replicano. Awesome, man. I want to try it too. I haven't gotten to really get into it yet. But yeah, my account, I could take the payout, but I don't want to. I'm not gonna. We're gonna chill and just work it out. But anyway. All right, so I didn't realize I even took a trade on my. Oh no, I did. I lost a trade earlier today. Why isn't this updating? Let's see. This account. So yeah, I lost a little bit today. I was down like 500 bucks, but I brought it back some, and then I stopped trading. But both of my funded accounts should be like $200 each. Just a couple trades on minis. These are both accounts, so I took 1 or 2 trades each day for each account. This is both accounts showing. So this is a 25K straight to funded, 2 straight to funded accounts. And so far, all green, 2 days in a row, $200 a day. Today I made like 800 in total, which is really cool. I haven't really been pushing these too hard today, or at all, period. I just kind of slowly building the buffer. I've been more focused on my Top Step account. Anywho, that was my day in a nutshell. I'm ready to trade 5 accounts on Top Step, so I can just copy trade all 5 of these accounts here at once. Need to set up my copy. All right, so the market was a huge sell-off today, wasn't it? It was insane. How much did we lose? 115 on that trade. Not bad. No, we lost 253. Ouch. Yeah, the market's just been selling off slowly but surely. Let's look at the higher time frame. 30-minute time frame here. Here's like the 9 o'clock. Here's the 9 o'clock candle. Let me zoom out. Zoom in, I mean. Here's your 9 o'clock candle, and it started super fast. Good night, love you. You going to bed? Say hi, that's all.
Hello. La, la, la.
Back up a little bit. I don't want that in their ear.
In the ear?
Yeah, some of them wear headphones.
Okay.
All right, go to bed. I love you.
Sorry. Love you.
Love you.
I want to fix that. I accidentally hit it.
Go. I'll fix it.
Goodbye. Good night. Wait, I don't have good night. Like and subscribe. Please.
For her. All right, go to bed, baby.
Oh, yeah, and I turned 10 in July.
You're 10 now.
I said I turned 10 in July.
Sound like you said I turned 10. All right, go to bed. Gotta get up for school.
And I'm in 5th grade.
Can you please stop? Kids, man. Night. Kids. All right. So yeah, the market's been in a nice sell-off. Do you think we'll see the? Here's what I'm looking at. 1 second. Do you think we'll see these lows here? Is this gonna sell off just the same to about here, 23,000 or lower? That's the big question of the day, man. Oh, honestly, I don't know how I would prefer the market to go. I guess it doesn't matter because the market's going to do what the market wants regardless. But I think I would like to see it sell off some more. I'm a natural bull and I want like a solid week of just upside. Solid few weeks of constant upside like we had here. This was amazing. This was beautiful. But I guess it really doesn't matter. I'm just taking setups as they come. Today I was buying into each of the pullbacks here, and then taking VWAP trades. So as the market would come above VWAP or reject VWAP, I would take it, grab my 5-10 points, and run. So, and I'm never in very long. But as you can see, with my consistent earnings, it works. So anywho, I think shorts are still in play. We are below VWAP, below all the EMAs, 921 and VWAP. So shorts likely in play. Mr. G, I see NQ going to 23,190 area. 23,190. Let me just look at it real quick. Yeah, 23 for sure. I don't know. I feel like this is just my guess. I'm looking at on my long screen, so I got a lot of back data. I feel like we kind of hit the 23,100 minimum, but I guess time will tell. I'm a natural bull though, so I like to buy, and I need some buying room. Cave said hello. Hey again. And good night. Cave, you're out of here, brother. Paul said, your good luck charm right there. Yeah, man, she is definitely, they're all my babies. Cave also said they got free trial, man. Try it. It's nice. I would use the market only feature and flatten accounts if they become out of sync. Thanks for the heads up. I'm sure I'll know what that means later. I'm glad you like it though. Good night, baby. Did mommy put your TV in your room? Better go remind her. King O, handshake. Welcome in, sir. All right, we got 15 people and like 4 likes. Y'all hit that like button. Share the love. You heard my daughter. Like and subscribe. Tick the notification bell icon. Cave, I'm not far behind you. I don't know if you're still here or not, but yeah, I'm pretty tired. I've had long days lately. Really long. Anyway, honestly, I need a lot more momentum to think about trading just because we're in a big sell-off. And for me, when we're in big sell-offs, heck yeah, 5. Good night, baby. When we're in big sell-offs, like market open, I can take those trades all day long, but when it's just, moving slowly, I can't. So I'm probably, just being honest here, I'm probably not going to take any trades tonight. I will trade market open just because I can't visualize the market the way it is. I just can't. It's not, unless something happens, I don't see it happening though. I'm not going to be around to find out. So here was my little trend that I was paying attention to the last couple of days here. I think I drew it up to here the other day, and it's respected it each time. Caught this short, caught some of this short, caught a lot of this short too, and some micros. It was some good trading, guys. Good trading. Does anyone trade Top Step here? What is the consistency rule? Isn't it like 50%? Yeah. I see. So yeah, 50%. I could pass these suckers in 2 days. No, I was talking to your daughter. Oh, okay, man. Sorry. Not leaving yet. They said goodnight. Yeah, they like being on. They like coming on and showing their face. If it was up to them, they'd talk to you guys all night, the whole stream, about how old they are, what grade they're in, what they did today. Trucker Scott, Slip X. Yeah, I haven't had too many problems out of it. Knock on wood. I've been enjoying Top Step just because it's convenient, but I like other firms more, like Take Profit Trader. Oh yeah, what did I do on Take Profit Trader today? Like $900. Yeah, I did like 1,500 in total between 2 accounts on Take Profit Trader. So I had like a $4,000 day including evals. I only traded a few evals. I didn't really trade much. Trying to get used to Trade of 8. Ugh, I hate Trade of 8. So what did you guys think about the sell-off today? I didn't expect it to just continue. I thought we were going to have like some sort of V-Day, some pullback, but we really got hardly any pullback. When we got to the 23,540 area, I was thinking for sure it's got a pullback. When we got to, hang on, let me pull up what I thought. The 23,500 area, I thought it was coming back up. both times. I took the trades because of the green momentum, but I wasn't taking the trade thinking we were coming up, which I did think we were coming up. I just wasn't expecting it, you know? That's why I get my 5 to 10 points and book it. Cave, it's 50, LOL. Which one's 50? Oh, the top step. Consistency, yeah. I just forgot. Yeah, no news and it just drops after New York. Tomorrow, though, we do have news. So, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So, be careful. Be careful. And we're still selling off. Like, I don't understand. I haven't seen it like this in a while. I didn't really watch all this whenever it happened. At least I don't remember. I took a payout that day from Top Step, though. July 31st. Whoop, whoop. Tay Day, how you doing? Anywho, yeah, still selling off. We have a little level of interest right here because of this and this. I guess I can mark my higher time frame levels here. Areas of interest. I didn't mark this one here because it's already kind of marked. It don't have to be perfect. Kind of already surpassed that. But yeah, it could bounce from here. Could bounce from here. So watch these levels. Definitely watch these levels. Wish there was like a Ray box. Because I would put a box, you know what I mean? A box. Now, LOL, much needed sell off. Oh, yeah, for sure. 100% agree. Market could go higher, man. Couldn't go higher, yeah. It just, bears were in control, man. It was a wild day today. How many points was it? Let's see. We went from, let's see, 9. I'd say that's about 778, 23, 778. And still selling off. So 23, 391. Almost 400 points today. 400 points. Wow. It's crazy. But yeah, we definitely needed a nice sell off for sure. Agreed. Has anyone checked out the VIX? Stair steps or elevator down? Yeah. All right, so the VIX. Yeah. Let's go to the fear and greed. We're still in greed. We're almost neutral, but we're still in greed. So bright. Still making new lows. Good Lord. Tay-Day, did you take any trades tonight? Yeah, I took a small micro long somewhere in here. I just set a stop and let it run. It doesn't even show it. I don't have my markers on. I took a trade here and lost from here to here. But I haven't traded anything on Top Step. I'm about to hit my daily draw or my maximum loss limit at 50K though. 50K. Another $200 and we're there. So build buffer and yeah, that's the plan. Stan. How about you, Tay-Day? Did you take any trades tonight? Still making new lows. Oh my. I'm going to put a box here just because it could react from it. Nope, just came to support you. Appreciate that, man. That is awesome. I do appreciate it. But yeah, trade win percent was high. My win to loss, though, that was not good. It's gotten worse today. Oof. Dun, 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 dun. Some of my trades. I was switching NQ, MNQ. End of the day, though, I was just trading NQ. Some quick profits, too. I was in and out, in and out. Best trade, $102. That just shows you. In and out. Most of my trades were long. 30 long trades. 4 short trades. I bet that's my wife hitting those icons. Or is that someone in the chat? So Earn to Trade reached out to me again. They're giving me a free account. Hang on. They're giving me a free account to trade. They're asking that I trade it live, which I'm going to do. I haven't got it yet, so still waiting on that. But as soon as I get it, I'll trade it, and we'll reach payout and see if they pay out and see if they do what they're supposed to do. I really hope they do, because so far from what I'm looking, it's looking pretty good. By the way, I do have a affiliate link, copy link address. I'll put it in the chat. Tay-Day, I traded New York this morning. Heck yeah, man. Paul said, nice, give it a go. Yeah, there's that link right there. If you guys want to check out Earn to Trade, feel free. That is an affiliate link. I will make 20% on everything. But they have been around for a while, so I've done my research. So far, I feel like they're okay. I just gotta look into it a little more. I don't know. I want to see a little bit more information, rules, and all that. All right, so here's the information. This is any other trading. This is the career path. Pass the test, upgrade your live account, upgrade to 400K, whatever that means. The trader career path is the best choice for those who want a career path towards trading futures professionally. It starts with an examination that tests trading proficiency, encourages risk management, and discipline. No new props for me. I recommend just stick to what works, man. I agree, but when they offer a free account, I'm not gonna tell them no. Sleepwalker, how you doing? What's good, brother? I agree. I don't want a bunch of new companies either, but I just want to see if they pay out and test their rules, report back, And they're not new. They've been around for a while. Something like a few years. So the profit goal is 3,000, drawdown 2,000, daily loss limit 1,100. They need to get rid of that. Up to 6 contracts is too much. Current reset price 85. Free reset when rebuild. Nice. No upfront. That's a really cool thing. I've never seen that. No upfront setup fee. $76, and then you'll get 20% off that whenever. Or I don't remember. I'm coming in a few minutes, actually. See you in a minute. What? Yeah. A Sprite or something? Trying to see the percent off. Active promotion. 60% off subscriptions till August 31st. Thank you. Love you. Sprite is so good. Cherry Sprite. Anyway, 60% off. Use code JSDT if you want to try them out. But I'm with you, Cave. Too many prop firms. I'm going to give them a try. That's about it. I'm not putting a lot of money and time into it. Not yet, anyway. We'll see how they go. The good thing is I don't have to buy an account. I'm not sure I like Tradify's new setup. It just, I don't know, it reads different. Gotta get used to everything again. Sleepwalker. I'm here getting ready to go to the road, collect some stuff. Saw you live and thought I'd pass through. Glad you stopped in, brother. Where you headed to? Thank you, man. I'll keep up the grind for sure. Did you see my results for the day? I'm gonna try to keep this green. That'd be good. Real good. And I'm not making a bunch. You know what I mean? Like if you multiply this by 5, these numbers are super easy. Like, I mean, if I can do it, anyone can do it. But these numbers are pretty typical for me. Multiply that by 5 accounts, 10 accounts. I'm all for it. You just got to figure out how to be consistent. That's all it takes. Trade like cave. Still selling off. Paul, that's good money. Yes, sir. Before I started live streaming, I usually had anywhere from 3 to 5 accounts anyway, and making $1,000 to $5,000 a week. So, or $1,000 a day minimum. So, I'm not stressed. Just trading this amount here. I like trading, but I don't want it to take over my life. So, spending a couple hours just to get these results, that's perfect for me. Extra $5,000 a week. Oh, okay. I thought you meant like getting on the road, like traveling for a little while. Be safe, brother. I hope she's cute. Yeah, I like having no stress trading days. Trading's stressful, man. Super stressful. All right, Nasdaq. I really wanted to see some reaction here, so can you give it to us? We got a little reaction off this area. Little reaction off this little area. So we should get some off here too. Maybe a nice little bounce. Temporary. Jeez. If you trade the 1 minute, which I did today, it was pretty nice. After all the selling. Nice and sideways. Getting that reaction now. So this is something I look for during the day. Start of a reversal. I usually look for the doji candle and then another green candle that surpasses any wick and the previous candle, so like a 3 candle setup, I'll enter like this right exactly right here. This is it on the 5 and on the 1 minute. I use the 1 minute as like a noisier view, but I trade the 15 and 5. So there's your pullback. But on the 5, we got an indecision candle here, and then this candle has to close above the wick of the previous doji. If this one doesn't, the next one should. All right, looks good for a long trade according to my trading plan. Little gap up too right there. I'm only going to risk the bottom of this candle. It's moving too slow. Not always. I'm entered early on this one. I like the momentum it had for a moment, but looks like it might go against us. But no, I usually you should wait for the close for sure. Still have 2 minutes. This could be another doji. You know what I mean? So in theory, my stop would usually be the wicks down here, but I'm trading NQ right now, so and price is just moving so slow, so I'm not interested in taking on too much risk right now. Sleepwalker, that's for the guy. Thanks for the guidance. Same to you. Catch up later. Yes, sir. Be blessed, man. So if this is another rejection, I mean, this is how many points? 372, 382-ish, so 10 point. It still could go up, but that's what you want to see according to my plan. But I do usually want it to close. I didn't think it would go all the way down though. For a $92 loss. Still have a minute left of this candle. So if I would have moved my stop all the way down, we would have been fine and still in the trade and back close to break even right now. If this is a short-term reversal, it's going to take its time getting started. And if this doesn't close above the previous doji and the previous candle here, the wick, sometimes I'll enter on the body, but it needs to close for sure the doji. Then I'll wait for the next candle. But the next candle, I'm going to want it to close above the previous black candle, which is this one here. So it needs to, the body. So that didn't close, it kind of equaled out. But if it closes above this, I'm going long. Excuse me. I wait for rejection setups all day long, literally. And that's the exact trade that I have traded all week. You set your stop here, and if it goes against you, it's coming down more. Right now, it could be printing out a bear flag, but if it goes above that previous candle, just before 2 candles before the doji, then it's looking good. This could be a little 5-minute bear flag, you know. Next candle down. It needs to close above this for me to like it. And then I'll start 1 micro and then keep adding in every new green candle. Sometimes 25, 50, 75, and $100. Most of the time 25 and 50. Just depends on the momentum. To be in now like I was, that was just trying to catch the move early. I should have stayed in, but and that was how many points did I? Yeah, I mean, I don't remember where my start was. So it was like 378. It's looking good to the upside for a short term. It could come back up into the 405 area or higher. Maybe even retest VWAP. All right, I'm still in this trade a little early. But we have 3 green candles. Hopefully this next leg up will come on. I'll start scaling in at like 25, 50 bucks. Nice. Closed high. Didn't quite make that previous candle. But this candle, if it does close green, will probably outperform that candle. 15-minute candle looks pretty good. 30-minute candle looks really good. 1 hour is looking pretty good also. 367. Yeah, I think we can get like 20 points out of this trade. And I'm actually almost positive. Come on, Nasdaq. That 30-minute wick looks amazing. So it's going to take a little time for it to push. This is kind of what it did here last time, right? There's this, and then boom. Another wick, boom. So I'm not scared. Didn't want my stop too tight. If this trade goes against me, this really sucks. $150-ish is what I'm really willing to risk. 'Cause I can earn it back tomorrow. Boo. Nasdaq didn't want to come back up. But the thing is, I didn't trade with my rules either. So got in early here, got in early here. This candle did not close above the previous candle. I was trying to be early, but we'll see what this candle does. It could wick up, right? Wow, that 30-minute candle is no longer looking beautiful. 30 seconds left, though. Let's see how she plays. Probably going to trade lower. Maybe another bounce off this line. I don't know. Still could go up, though. This morning I started with a like $400 or $500 deficit from trading last night. Night trading is not good to me, usually. But one loss doesn't define you either. I'll take several losses each day. I stick to my rules though, typically. Sometimes I like to get in just a little early, just because I'm human, you know? But usually those are the ones that go against me. In fact, most of the time, that's the reason. This looks like it could come back up though, so. I was ready to jump in, but I'm glad I waited. I'd like for this candle to exactly what it's doing. Sell hard and have a huge wick that lets me know that buyers are present. Like these wicks lets you know buyers are still, trying to prevent it from falling too much. That's what I have in my head, So they can't go any further for now. It could be a rejection. And you could at least get your 10 points out of it though. Golly, sellers are so in control. It's so hard to get short when the market's so far down. For me, it is. I like sideways action. Good, solid sideways action. Chris Peters, evening, folks. What's up, brother? Looks like this is going to close below this, which isn't good for anyone hoping for a long. Invalidated. Nope. Still good for now. Look at that beautiful candle. I knew this looked like a trap. I guess my mic was muted. I apologize. I'm trying to. Get in now. Ran gap. Man. Kill me. Get in now. Let me know how your trade goes. Ran gap boy, this is another sad day for my account. And you're over here telling me to get in. Come on, man. Think with your brain. I'm not gonna jump in just because you think. Anyway, I'm trying to do something for a real estate agent lady that I gotta send my bank statements to. We're trying to get a new house. We found a really nice house that we like. And yeah, I gotta figure out how to. Although you were right, but if you had a bad day today, don't tell someone else how to trade. It's not how we do things. Chris Peters. Anyone taking longs on NQ past couple weeks had to know reversal was coming. Yeah, for real. Raymond Luis Pinchy Hernandez. It's a long name. Thanks for the challenge of Apex today. I passed them. I'm just gonna make the money, pay the activation fee. Hopefully good things for you. God be with you always. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'm glad you passed your test. You won one? I don't remember who won. Playing with fire at the top, eventually flame burns out. Oh yeah, 100%, man. When we're at all-time highs, I'm always looking for an opportunity to short. And I got that opportunity today, didn't I? All right, bear with me. I'm trying to send this email to this real estate agent. Time to go long. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to be a tight stop, though. Maybe we can get a little bit out of it while I write this email. Nasdaq making me wait for it. Jeez. I need to be in bigger size because I'm trying to make that deficit back. It's probably going to pull back more though. Looks like it wants to come up. We'll see. Sorry, I'm almost finished here. Just reading what I wrote. Don't do that, Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq, you'll make me stick around, huh? Michael Anthony, what is this? This is Nasdaq futures. I was in the middle of something, responding to an email, so I was a little distracted for a moment. But I'm back. I'm back. Never seen you here before, so welcome to the stream. All right, we're 5 contracts long. We are about half a mini long. Hopefully start making a little money here. Otherwise, I got a lot of work to build back this deficit tomorrow. I don't want to risk more than the previous candle wick. And I really need to get to bed, so this thing needs to hurry up. Bull flag, bull flag. Come on, you dirty dog. She's trying, that's for sure. Just trading sideways. There's a lot of volume in here. This little area. Lots and lots. Gap down. Don't much like that. Siri just subscribed. Say that 5 times fast. Welcome to the stream, sir, and the channel. Thank you for your subscription. God bless. All right, we're down $250. We need to make some money, but Nasdaq keeps gapping, man. Jeez. I don't like it. Don't like it. I'm gonna take off some risk. Yeah, I don't like the way it's looking. So it's kind of getting wider and wider. It looks like it might want to come down actually, kind of at the top here. MB just watching, blew my account. We'll have to take a break and come back. Bye. Did you take my trades, man? Don't do that. Sometimes I'm a risky trader. Don't blow your account, man. Once I hit like a 5, I'm down $270 currently, right? If I reach $500 dollars, I'm done. I'll lock myself out. If I see my setup like a surefire, like A+ setup, and I'm down to 500, I will take the trade. Man, she's still climbing. Jeez. But typically, I'm done for the day. I'm in a bad mindset. So at $500 yesterday or this morning, I had to start with a deficit of $400, and I traded my way out of it. So, and we've only had 34 trades too. So, but anyway, it's not impossible. I do it all the time, actually. A couple of these days in here with the higher trade volumes, these two here, I was negative like $400 starting out in the morning, and then build myself back up with some micros and some mini trades. But it's not hard. You gotta have these rules, man. Like earlier, I took a trade on the 5-minute chart here. I mean, the trade looks good still, and it's retesting this area. My stop should be at the bottom. If I would have taken the trade in Q and just put my stop like I normally would, it would have been fine. But typically my rule is the second candle here has to surpass it, but I guess it's not an exact science. I really like to see it break the wick of the doji and the previous candle, but it didn't do that. So the following candle needs to break all that and the body of this candle. So anyway, it just wanted to retest is what it wanted to do. I should have stayed in, and we'd be up like $500, $1,000 by now. We got in at 90 or 78, I believe it was. 70 something, somewhere right here. We're up 10 points, 1 mini. Yes, sir, I'm a scalper. Right on, brother. Rest your mind and come back fresh. Oh yeah. Do you think NQ could come back up to 400? I don't know. It could, yeah. Looks like it wants to. Definitely think it'll reach somewhere in here. It's just a matter of time. That's why I took this trade initially, but poor management, honestly. I didn't trade it the way I was supposed to. I should have just put my stop here and left it alone for a while. And that would have been my couple $100 for the day, and then we would start tomorrow fresh. But it's kind of too late. You know, I can't jump on the train now. It's too late. The trade looks great now. And here's that wick. Man, I should have been paying attention to the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. You still have opportunity to the upside, but how much opportunity? You know what I mean? It's unknown at this point. Got a little bit of green. I want to see a doji kind of like this, and then another long green to the upside to the 500s, and close before I start thinking long tomorrow. Ramon Luis, you are a scalper. Yes, I already read that, didn't I? Cool guy. MK3, I just need to break even, man. 400 my entry. LOL. Oh, man. 400 with what? What was your... Are you trading a mini or a micro? How many micros? Ouch. So you got in up here. You let the trade go down 40 points, 20 points. Oh, 30 points. You're a brave man. You must be a micro. 6 minis? Good grief, man. Yeah, I think it'll hit 400. It's going to take... It might pull back a little more before it does. But, yeah, I think sometime it will. Just don't let yourself... you must be trading like a 300K or 150K with a lot of drawdown. Unless it's a live account. Be careful, man. Be careful. Just because I think it'll hit 400 doesn't mean it will. I feel like 400's a kind of a... If you look here, we had previous rejections at 400. It could become resistance and start coming down further. So I would bring your stop loss to like 390 if it does reach 400 and just call it at that and lose the trade. Lose less than you would have lost down here. 6 minis. Ooh. So you're down like, let's see, 6 minis, 30 points. 6 times. You were down like $4,000 on that trade down here, weren't you? 5,000 almost. There's no way you're in a 50K. Hold up. 400 to 368. 30 points. 30 times 20. 600 times 6. So you're down like 3,600. You must have some drawdown built up. Haven't with... So it's a funded account. You got some build. Okay. You were about to... I mistook minis and micros. So you were in micros or your minis? 6 micros. Much better. Getting closer to your 400 though. Got me scared. Didn't even time to stop it. Oh, so you accidentally got in minis and you meant to get 6. Man, if that happens, just end the trade. We've all done it. Like, I've done it several times. I do it at least once a week. But in the trade, if you accidentally hit NQ instead of MNQ, just in the trade, man. It's best to close it and then take the trade you wanted to take, you know? I hope it does. I really want to sleep tonight. How much are you down currently? I can't guarantee it's going to hit 400. You're quite a ways away. You're about 10 points away, 12 points away. So you are 10 points away now, actually. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't... It's looking good so far, but who knows, man. 10 points away. Maybe add in. Down about 700. Yeah. Should be 600. Oh, you got the trade cost in there too, I'm sure. I hope it hits 400 for your sake, my friend. That's cool. I've never had anyone chat on Twitch. Actually, just very few people on Twitch. It's looking a little weak, by the way. So I'd move that stop to 85 and just clear it. And maybe even start thinking about taking one or two off. Get rid of some size. Especially now that you're like 10 points away, 13 points away. Get rid of some size. No problem, man. Appreciate you talking with me. That's what I'm here for. If I were you, I'd take 2 contracts off right now. This doesn't look good. And actually, I would probably set my stop to 85 and yeah, 84, 85, bottom of this wick, because it's not looking good at all, actually. Got an indecision candle, a big wick, another big wick. Momentum's kind of dried up now. It's probably going to come down a little more. Who knows? I don't think we're going to hit 400 anytime soon. It's going to be a while. Take your loss, man. And then tomorrow morning, trade like hell. How much are you up right now, by the way, with your funded account? You were just about to take a payout. Man, if I accidentally put 6 minis, I would close the trade immediately. I know it's tempting to keep it open, but geez, man, you gotta be careful. As soon as it happens, you gotta just close it. It's worked out for me before, but it's not gonna always work out. It's just not how it works. Market has its mind where it wants to go. Roy, how you doing, brother? Lexter, did you try to Take Profit Trader? Yeah, I've been trading with Take Profit Trader for a while. Sorry, I didn't see your message up there. It could slow ground up to 400. I mean, we're still 10, 12 points away, though. It's not looking too good. I would seriously consider setting my stop to 84 if I were you, bud. 85, really. Franks, I'm 600 away from passing my funded. Nice, man. That's awesome. Congratulations. Very happy for you. I am eligible for a payout currently, and here's the payout. I'm down a little bit now. It was like 800 and something, but I'm not going to take it. I'm going to hold off. I don't want to take a payout. I'm going to build my buffer for quite a while. Cool guy said, if it dumps me 30 points like nothing, it can take me up there like nothing. That's the wrong way of thinking, man. But I mean, if you want to hold it. That's fine. You're right, though. If it can dump that, I agree. Should I keep praying? Yes, pray, man. Pray. I'll wait as long as it does. I really should. Yeah, I mean, at some point you have to have some sort of stop loss, man. I mean, I don't know where your stop is currently, but 84, 85, I mean, just in case, because $700 loss on one account. I hope it's not Apex, and I wonder I don't know your drawdown. I don't know anything about your account. Can you stay with me till it does? Man, I don't know about it. I gotta get to bed at some point. We'll hang out a little while longer. Roy Evans, all good. Had a good night overnight on NQGC. I'm short on NQ at the moment. Oh, Roy Evans versus Cool Guy. Yeah, if I was trading right now, I'd probably take a short. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm gonna wait until market open and get rid of this $270 deficit. That red color just ugh. I don't like it. It's take profit trader. Oh. Man, listen. Okay. It could go to 400. It very well could. You're right. If it can dump, but look, if it can dump 30 points, but look how much it's been dumping all day long. So if you're going to get in a short play, you really got to think. You got to think like this. The market's you're playing against. You're catching a falling knife. And I look for these reversals myself. Like if it dumps 30 points on you like that, dude, you gotta. I don't know. Some people have a 30 to 50 point stop. I mean, I do it some trades myself, but it could reverse. Who knows, man? I just feel like you're trading against the trend, and I hope it works out for you. I really do. It just doesn't look good. But you're right. It could work out. We'll see. Think of all that. If you were, hang on, let me think. Ooh. All right. Down to the 86. I'll be right back. Cool guy. So close, gang. I needed this. 8 points away, bud. I hope it works out for you, man. I really do. I bet we get a pullback, though, before it reaches the 400 mark. And remember, we're in this little trend here. So, and we're at the peak. If it breaks through, then it could keep going. I hope you get that payout tomorrow, though. Tonight. All right, next leg up. Is this? Oh, yeah, it's very strong. Look at it. Since open tonight, 6 p.m. Boom. I mean, I don't really know how strong it is now, but this is the biggest pullback we've had. So it could be reversal time, but I feel like it's going to kind of come down a little bit and then go up more. So you might be in this trade for a while. Unless it just has like its nice little bolt. I'm not trying to scare you, man. I'm sorry. But, you know, it is how it is. Tony Lanes, what's up, brother? He said, how's it going, John? I hope all is well. Just wanted to say thanks again for the blessing. I'm up just over 2K on the 150K eval. Yes, sir. Glory to God. Amen. Proud of you, sir. Keep it up. Yeah, don't let me scare you, cool guy. I'm sorry, man. Just, we'll see. Gotta get through this line. Honestly, it's looking possible. And if you would have put your stop where I told you to put your stop, just to kind of mitigate some risk, you still would have been okay. But it is definitely time to take off some risk, man. Maybe downsize the trade a little bit, you know? Even, I don't know, downsize a little bit, and then whenever it goes in your favor, maybe scale in more. Then you can add to your profits. It does look like it wants to go for a VWAP test, though. Right here, I got a little nervous because of the wicks. They're not very long wicks, but it looks sort of kind of rejection-y. I was in a trade right here. I should have stayed in all this time, man. We'd have been up quite a bit. I'm just a little nervous because of the downtrend. So my psychology got me down 270. All right, we have 20 something, 27, 30 people watching. How many of you are subscribed? If you're not, hit that subscribe button. I sure appreciate it. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs. We're almost there, and we've only been doing this for like 2 months, 3 months, something like that. I don't even know now. Just a couple months ago, I had barely 100 subscribers. All right, cool guy. I really hope that this candle, kind of stays like that, and then we get another bar up. Because if we get another bar up, it looks like you might break even. Look at that. Would you just look at that. I don't know. After that much of a dump, man, I feel like whew, down $3,600 down here, that would kill me. Especially on a funded account, take profit trader where you wanted to take a payout. You were payout eligible. Oof. I'm currently payout eligible too on Top Step, and I don't foresee ruining that. I'm gonna stick to my micros. This week so far, I've made like $5,000 on Top Step. Um, Mixture of evals and funded, but if I would have had the 5 funded, I'm new to Top Step. This is my second payout with Top Step. Second funded account. First funded account, blew it day of payout. I don't like that candle at all, man. I told you we're probably going to get a little pullback around here. We kind of have to be honest with you, to go up further. But I'm worried that this trend is going to continue. I feel like my stop would be at 84, 85 still. Just to mitigate some of that loss, man. Don't let it get down here again. Just don't do it. There we go. What's up, Z? How you doing? Hello, hello. All right, now we have 33 people watching. Hit that like and hit that subscribe. Thank you much. Praise God. Man, that was a bomb trade, dude. Amazing trade. Should have stayed in. Yo, boy is scared and nervous and anxious and afraid. Mitigate risk. Put that stop at 85, man. Do it. I'm telling you, you'll feel a lot better knowing that you can't lose more than that. What is that? Your entry is 400. And if you put it at 85, that's 15 points times 6 accounts times $20 per point. That's $1,800 loss. Versus 3,600 down here. And you're down like $600 right now. 6 or 7. I bet you are scared, anxious, nervous, and afraid. But hey, I'd rather lose 6 or 700 than 1,800. So I might even put my stop at 88, 90. But we have 1 minute left of this candle, and it looks pretty wicky, so it could bounce in your favor, man. Momentum is still looking good to the upside for the most part. Let's just hope we don't hit an algorithm. It's 10 o'clock almost. 11 o'clock almost. Market time. XP. Boy, you got a trade futures desk. Apex is so bad. Futures desk. Never heard of it. I trade Apex, Funding Ticks, Buellnox, TradeFi, Take Profit Trader, and Top Step. I've mostly been trading Top Step. All right, hopefully this is a nice little bull flag, and we make new highs again for you. Cool guy. New hourly candle. Let's see it. Ooh, yeah. All right, you're 5 points away, dude. 5 points away. I bet you feel like on top of the world right now. Nice little bull flag printing out. What's up, Deity? How you doing, man? Been a minute since I've seen you on here. We got a guy in the chat that took a trade at the 400 mark. I guess he got in either here or here. And he was down 3,600. Now he's down maybe 500 bucks right now. 400 bucks, give or take. So we're just hanging out, watching, waiting, see what happens. How you been, man? Long time. The clip you gonna send today? Man, I'm so busy. So busy. But yeah, I'll try to. Roy Evans, I'm short at 400. Bro, you didn't take your profits, Roy? Killing me, man. 30 points. I would take profit. But yeah, I'll try to do it today, man. I've just got a lot going on. And I'm trying to edit some of the video before I send it over. All right, cool guy. Not sure about this, man. If we below this 87 area, it's not looking too good, my friend. I would still set my stop at 80. I'd set it at this wick here, 87.50. 387.5. I'm going to look away. I'll be back. No, I don't suffer anxiety. Man, I don't either, but take your profits, bro. I'm gonna go distract myself. All right, I'll scream really loud, or I'll play a bunch of noises when you can come look. Okay. Sound good, cool guy? I'll hit something like this, whatever that was. I don't know what noise it is. Like I said, though, trend. Roy, I guess it depends on what you were into, like micros, mini. Yeah, I think it's coming down. Probably going to retest the lows or somewhere in this little area. Minnie, Roy. I say it comes down around here at least. There's volume downtrend. Yeah, I agree, man. And if it can break this bottom of this box, then it's definitely going further. So I feel like Cool Guy needs to go ahead and take his loss. And this is a pretty gnarly looking trend on lower time frame. But yeah, if it can reach the bottom of this box, it's definitely going to go lower. New low of day. If I put a trade on, I make sure the stop loss has room to breathe. Yeah, I agree, man. 100%. But if you're trading long, like this guy was at 400, in a downtrend, 30 points, I don't think I could do it. If I'm shorting and it pulls back here, it's a little different. I could see Roy's trade being okay. I mean, stop loss, maybe break even by now, I'm sure. Maybe a little bit in the money so you can get rid of your true break even.